Good morning children and welcome back. Now again I'll be teaching you what do you mean by multiplicative identity. We all know what is additive identity. Now what is additive identity? Additive identity is nothing but 0. Correct? Because a number, any number added by 0 gives me again a number itself. Now, when we are talking about multiplicative identity, multiplication means into, right? So, whatever I multiply the number with, I should again get the same number. Okay, now suppose I have a number 5. Okay, now if I multiply 5 with some number, again I should get 5. What is that? 5 ones are 5, correct? So therefore, 1 is nothing but my multiplicative identity. Clear children? So therefore, similarly for rational numbers, suppose I have 7 by 2. Okay? When I multiply by 1, again when I get 7 ones are 7 divided by 2. Correct? So 1 is called as the multiplicative identity. Clear? So this, what is multiplicative identity? Identity, we can write the formula for multiplicative identity as A into 1 is equal to A. So this is the formula for multiplicative identity. As you all know what is multiplicative identity, now we should start with what is multiplicative inverse. Now let us recall back a bit. We have studied what is additive identity and additive inverse, right? So additive identity was what? Additive identity was, there was some number, okay? When I added 0, I got the same number. That was identity. That means same number when I add 0. 0 is the additive identity, correct? Now, what was additive inverse? I have a number. When I subtract the same number, I got 0, correct? So that subtraction of that number became what? The inverse for addition. Correct? So what I have to do in this case, when I say multiplicative inverse, what is my multiplicative identity? Multiplicative identity is 1. If I multiply any number, I should get the answer as 1. So that is called as multiplicative inverse. Okay? Now see. I have a number 2. Okay? If I multiply some number, I should get 1. Okay? Because I'm dealing with multiplication. 2 into something, inverse. Inverse means what? Reciprocal of a number. Right? Reciprocal of a number. So therefore 2 I have got. What is reciprocal of 2? Reciprocal of 2 is 1 by 2. Okay? Reciprocal of 2 is what? 1 by 2. Such that when I cancel this, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. What I got? 1 ones are 1. 1 by 1 is nothing but 1. So therefore, this 1 by 2 is called as my multiplicative inverse. Okay? So this 1 by 2, where when I multiply this number with the given number, I should get 1 as the answer. This is called as the reciprocal. The reciprocal factor comes into picture. So therefore, whenever I am dealing with addition, that is additive identity, I will take negative of a number. When I am dealing with multiplicative inverse, okay, additive inverse, I take negative of a number. Only if I subtract that negative with the given number, I'll get 0. But what happens to my multiplication? Can I take a negative? Can I take a negative? No, I cannot take negative when a multiplication sign is involved. I have to always take the reciprocal of the given number. What do you mean by reciprocal? Ulta. Okay, the numerator becomes denominator, denominator becomes numerator. Clear? So that is called as multiplicative inverse. Now let me check again. I have one rational number 7 by 12. Okay? 7 by 12. What is the multiplicative inverse of 7 by 12? 7 by 12 into some multiplicative inverse, I have to get what? 1. Okay, so what I'll do the reciprocal. Reciprocal means numerator becomes denominator, denominator becomes numerator. So therefore, numerator becomes denominator, denominator becomes numerator. So 12 ones are 12 ones are, 7 ones are 7 ones are, 1 ones are 1, 1 by 1 is equal to 1. So therefore, my multiplicative inverse of 7 by 12 is its reciprocal 12 by 7, which gives me the multiplicative identity 1. So therefore, the formula for multiplicative inverse is, suppose A is one rational number, multiplied by its reciprocal gives me 1. This is called as the formula for multiplicative inverse. See children, write these formulas because they are really important in the examination point of view. Okay, now this is called as multiplicative inverse. Now children, what is multiplicative identity? Multiplicative identity is nothing but whatever see here, multiplicative identity is A into something should give me A itself. So A into 1 is equal to A. This is called as multiplicative identity. Okay? But multiplicative inverse is nothing but A into 1 by A is equal to 1. Okay? So please see that you keep all these formulas ready so that you can solve the problems easily. Additive identity, additive inverse, multiplicative identity and multiplicative inverse. Clear children? Okay children. So this is completely the formula chart for additive identity, additive inverse, multiplicative identity and multiplicative inverse. Okay. So when I am telling additive identity, what is my additive identity? The formula is A plus 0 is equal to A. So where A is called as the additive identity. Okay. So that means take any number, when I add 0 to it, again I get A. So therefore 0 is called as the additive identity. Now similarly, so additive inverse is nothing but A minus A is equal to 0. Okay, so A is any number. When I subtract that with the same A itself, I get additive identity or 0. So that is A minus A is equal to 0, where minus A is called as the additive identity. Clear? So next is what? Multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity means any number multiplied by 1 gives me the same answer. The number itself, correct? That means 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Right? So that 1 is called as the multiplicative identity. So when now, similarly, what is multiplicative inverse? Multiplicative inverse is, I have a number. When I multiply with its reciprocal, I will get my multiplicative identity, that is 1. Or it can also be written as, see, this reciprocal is also called as inverse of multiplication. It is called as inverse of the number, right? So this reciprocal is also called as inverse of a number. So therefore, A multiplied by A inverse is equal to 1. What is A inverse? A inverse is nothing but 1 by A itself. Okay? Understood children? So it's very important that you know all this. I hope the additive identity, additive inverse, multiplicative identity and multiplicative inverse is clear to you. Thank you class.